A quick update on JASMY here. So JASMY, we're going to start off on JASMY on this one just to switch things up a little bit. Looking at the JASMY Bitcoin pair here, you can see I did end up drawing this box on the chart. So as long as the Bitcoin pair here is going down, which it looks like it may have bottomed, so we have this sort of a range here to watch on JASMY here. You can see in the past it has come down to this next level down here, which this would be your support now, resistance now, support. So JASMY here is sitting right on the top of the box here at about 21 sats here, and the problem is we could still have a dip down for this thing to come down to about, what is that, 16 here, and drop another 21% on the BTC pair, which in turn is going to bring the price of JASMY down. So I just want you guys to be aware of that on JASMY. Now going back over to the JASMY chart here. So until the Bitcoin pairs bottom out on a lot of these, or on most coins, there's really no reason for us to think they're going to continue to go up into the moon. They don't have to break down per se, but they're not going to go and have their alt season, if you will, on these coins until we have the Bitcoin pairs bottom out and start to move up. Now, JASMY here, looking on the weekly chart to begin with, you can clearly see we did end up coming down and we did end up tagging the 236 once again here at this 16 level. We're still sitting above the 382 low to the high, so we are still technically bullish here. And we'll see what plays out here. If this thing goes lower than the 236, 382, then of course the next stop down is the zero point 0.5 all the way down here to 12, which would be a very good buying opportunity down here if we were to drop below the macro 236 here, and we would drop 31%. So just be aware that that is on the table as of right now until we see the Bitcoin pair start to go up. But we'll see if we get a bounce here. It is appearing to be bottoming out on that Bitcoin pair, so maybe we'll start moving up at this point. And I know JASMY's been going down for weeks here, so we need some kind of relief rally to the upside. So we're bullish over the 382 at 18. The next bounce up, let me go ahead and draw another one on here before this JASMY update gets a little too long. So going from the high to the low, 382 at 18, back short term high to the low, bottom is in over 22, and then bullish over about 27 here. And then, of course, macro bullish, as we've been pointing out for a very long time. We have to get a weekly candle close over the 382 at 5 pennies. Once we accomplish that, that's when I think JASMY is going to be extremely bullish at that point. So JASMY, from where it is right now, the bigger question is, wherever you're going to buy this thing at, or if you don't have it already, where is it going to end up this cycle? So from where you are right now on the 236, on the 382 support, you can see the 0.5 would be next after 5. I think once we get over 5, it's going to spike right up to the 0.5 here at 12, and that's about a 6.5x on this thing. And then the big price everyone's watching is the 30-cent range here, the 618, about a 16x from today. So a lot of people will be taking profit at that level, so just be aware of that. And then the target I've had for a very long time, I think JASMY's going to tag $1 at some point. So I wouldn't let my whole bag ride to that point, but you can see that's a 58x from today up to this 786 retracement here in 2025. But overall, right now, we're still holding up, and hopefully we'll get a bottom on that Bitcoin pair, and we can finally start getting this thing to higher prices. So what are your thoughts on JASMY? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.